Ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Everybody going? All right, ready, go.
Here at Formula Slug, we design, manufacture, and compete with electric race cars in the FSAE collegiate competition. This year is FS1, our original car from 2019. And over here is the frame for our brand new FS2, which will be competing this spring in Michigan.
Our team is many times larger than last year, so we have a lot more capacity to design and fabricate. We have many sub-teams like electrical, suspension, and chassis, so all those teams focus on different aspects of the car.
The next step is to add suspension to this frame and finish the electrical design and manufacturing work.
So in order to get this thing rolling, we need your support. Your donations will fund the manufacturing costs, supplies, and other materials that we need in order to bring this to life.